Welcome to our guide on writing high-converting freelancing proposals that get clients. In this video, we will explore the essential elements of a successful proposal. Let's start with the structure. A well-structured proposal typically includes an introduction, a clear outline of your services, and a strong conclusion. Now, let's talk about opening lines. Your first sentence should grab attention. Instead of saying, "I am a freelancer," try something like, "I can help you achieve your project goals efficiently." Personalization is key. Always address the client by name and reference their specific project needs. This shows you've done your homework. Next, let's discuss problem-solution framing. Identify the client's pain points and present your service as the solution. For example, if a client struggles with deadlines, emphasize your reliability and timely delivery. Pricing is another crucial aspect. Be transparent but also flexible. Provide a range or a starting price, and explain the value behind your rates. A strong call to action encourages clients to take the next step. Use phrases like, "Let's discuss how I can help you," to prompt a response. Following up is vital. If you haven't heard back in a week, send a friendly reminder. Now let's look at some real proposal examples. Here's a before and after comparison. Notice how the revised proposal is more engaging and personalized. We'll also provide templates you can adapt for your own use. And here are some mock-ups of client responses to successful proposals. These examples illustrate the impact of a well-crafted proposal. To wrap up, remember these improvement tips. Always tailor your proposals, keep them concise, and focus on the client's needs. With these strategies, you'll be on your way to winning more clients. Thank you for watching, and happy freelancing.